Partly cloudy with...
What, Mom?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County, Central Greene County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilberforce, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Fairborn, Xenia, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, Enon, Jamestown, South Charleston, Wilberforce, Harmony, Lisbon, New Jasper, Northampton, South Vienna, Tremont City, Donaldsville, Catawba, Clifton, Green Meadows, and Houston. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 66.